Hi, this is the onap Amsterdam release virtual firewall closed loop control demo. To start with, we will assume that we already have a fully installed onap instance that is on your local OpenStack system. Uh, so if you list the list of VMs that are running, you should see something like this. There are about 25 virtual machines that are running in the base fresh onap install. And then one of the first thing that we wanted to make sure is that you have modified your local hosts file to update the IP addresses of these few select host names to point to the IP addresses that have been assigned by your OpenStack for the various VMs. So for Portal, for example, you want to look up to make sure that your portal IP address has been configured into your hosts file here. This will allow us to continue with the demo by using these fully qualified hard-coded host names in the portal UI. So since we have this already configured, what we can do now is to open up the portal UI itself at this particular address and location URL. And we will first log in as CS0008 with the password demo 123456 exclamation mark, which is the standard password for all our demo user accounts. Once we have logged in, we're interested in going to SDC to take a look at the current system configuration. And what we want to show right now is that the system, since this is a fresh installation, there are currently no services or VNFs that exist on the system. So as we continue our demo, we will go through and set them up, and then we can come back and verify that they indeed have been created in the system. What I'm going to do now is to open up a separate terminal, and what we want to do is to log into the robot virtual machine and run some commands there. The robot virtual machine contains some robot scripts that will help us automate the creation of certain models and other data in the system. So let's go ahead and do that. It was complaining here because I previously used this IP address for some other machine, so I had to sort of go through that SSH hoop over there, but now we're logged in. Once we're in the robot virtual machine, we'll switch to the OPT directory, which contains the list of basically various scripts that we can run in the robot virtual machine. And the command I want to run right now is demo.sh. This script has various steps that helps us automate various data initialization things that we will be using throughout the rest of this demo. What we want to do right now is to run demo init, which will help create the demonstration customer and also load some VNF and service definitions into SDC. This may take a few seconds. Okay, great. It has now completed. So what we want to do is we'll come back and we will refresh our page. And now you can see that this robot script has helped us initialize various services and virtual functions that support these services. And the specific service that we care about is this one called demo vFWCL, which stands for Virtual Firewall Closed Loop. Let's open it up, and we will go to Tosca artifacts here. And what I want to do right now is to download the Caesar file. We want to have this ready because we will need to open it up later to find some key identifiers that we will then use in the rest of the demo.